model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect, 47k miles, damaged unrecorded, needs spares, repair, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 47,986. Engine, 1,560 cc, 1.6 TDCI, 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start. Obvious accident, front end damage as in the pictures. Engine and gearbox are still great. Starts off easy start when we power probe the starter motor as the wiring loom is damaged. Ideal spares or repairs on recorded low mileage. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is quite